I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: SSH access, instance type, and a reachable domain. Once done, assign an elastic IP or ensure your domains are record points to the instance. Next, choose your certificate provider, ACM for load balancers or Let's Encrypt for instance-level certs, and install certbot if using Let's Encrypt. Make sure the instance has ports 80 and 443 allowed in the security group, because the validation and renewal processes depend on reachable HTTP/HTTPS endpoints. You now obtain the certificate. If using Let's Encrypt, install certbot and run it with the plugin matching your web server. Certbot will perform HTTP validation and write certs to /etc/let's-encrypt/live/your domain. Once issued, configure your web server to use full chain. PEM and privkey. PEM, update virtual host or server block with SSL certificate and SSL certificate key. If using ACM, request a public certificate, validate via DNS or email, and then attach the certificate to your application load balancer or CloudFront. You finish by reloading or restarting your web server and verifying HTTPS responses and correct certificate chain. Make sure your server sends intermediate certificates. Use tools or curl to inspect the chain. Enable automatic renewal, certbot renew via cron or systemd timer, and test renewal with certbot renew dry run. One key troubleshooting tip: if validation fails, check that port 80 is reachable and DNS a records point to the correct IP. Misconfigured DNS or blocked ports are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.